Hey friends, if Microsoft Edge sync issues occur on your Windows computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. The first solution is to make sure that sync is enabled. Now, how do you make sure? Open Microsoft Edge and click on your profile picture. Is it saying sync is on in green? If yes, then everything is good. You'll just have to wait for a while. The next is to disable extensions, especially security extensions. So click on these three dots at the top right corner, select extensions, click on manage extensions, and you will be able to disable extensions from here. The next one is to clear browser cached data. Okay, so click on these three dots at the top right corner, select history, select this bin symbol here, change the time range to all time, click on clear now. Next is to allow cookies account to say allow Microsoft account to save cookies. So on the same page, search for cookies and then hit enter and then scroll down and you'll find this option here for cookies and share data and click on the manage option. And then there's an option here which says allow sites to read and save and read cookie data. Make sure that it is turned on. And lastly, reset Microsoft Edge. On the same page, go to reset settings in the left side, select restore settings to the default value and then select reset. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.